Hi, I'm Eden.
I'm Mommy. Halloween is approaching, so today we are going to make a Halloween themed snack.
Mommy sandwich. Yeah.
We need
Bread, cheese, ketchup, and raisins.
So what are we going to do now? First we take,
A bread.
make sure your hands are clean. We take a slice of bread.
And you spread ketchup.
Yeah, spread ketchup all over the bread. What's next, Aiden?
Slice the cheese.
Yes, now we're going to slice the cheese.
Wow.
Okay, can you? You don't need a sharp knife for this. A butter knife is good enough. Once you have sliced your cheese, you can just arrange it on your sandwich.
Yay.
We leave a space for the eyes. Alright? So we can arrange it like that. I'm going to leave this space for the eyes. Stop eating and arrange your sandwich. At the rate you're eating, you're not going to get a mommy sandwich. See?
Yep.
So I have like these.
Like a mommy.
Like it's all wrapped up. You're not going to have enough cheese because all went into your tummy already. We're going to use the raisins for the eyes.
Can we eat it now?
So my mommy sandwich looks like this, but it's not done yet. We're going to put this in the oven for about a minute to melt the cheese a little. Alright?
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Mommy.
Ding.
Cheers.
Nom nom. Nice?
Yummy. And mommy has been done. Oh.